Hi, and welcome to 1908 East Overland Drive here in Ozark, Missouri. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, and it's got over 1,350 square feet. Located on a corner lot, and we'll go on inside and take a look. Nice open living room here. That's good size. Here we'll go on into the master bedroom. It does have a split bedroom floor plan. The master bathroom has a large walk-in closet here. Very nice. Now we'll go on back through. Ceiling fan there. Here is the laundry room, its own separate room. And here's the garage. We'll go ahead and take a look at this. Car garage. Back into the living room. And now we'll go into the other bedrooms across the hall. Here's your main bathroom. Go into the front bedroom here. Closet right there. And then we'll go into the back bedroom. See right here. Closet right there. Now we'll go through and let you take a look at the kitchen. Ceiling fan there. This has bamboo flooring here. Does come with a stove, microwave, and a dishwasher. Nice cabinets here. Dining area. Then we'll let you take a look at the yard out here. It's got a nice large backyard. Of course, that part of that is the neighbor, but we got a nice large area here. And there you have 1908 East Overland in Ozark. We look forward to seeing you.